Hi, I'm Pat with Rivers Edge Chev, and I am making a stuffed chicken breast today, and I'm stuffing it with our Up and Smoke. You can use any kind of cheese you'd like that's a soft, like cream cheese, or any of the flavored little cream cheeses that they have, like Boursin or anything like that. But I'm using our Up and Smoke, and the Up and Smoke is really wonderful stuffed into chicken breast and a number of different meats. It's really good in a pork loin roast. It's wonderful like that. Anyway, so we're going to just get it stuffed with the Up and Smoke, and I have seasoned it with a hickory smoked salt and pepper, and that's all so far. I'm going to be rolling it in this melted butter that has been infused with garlic, and then I'm going to roll it in breadcrumbs, and then I'm going to put it back in the pan with the butter, and it's going to bake. Anyway, we get a little more salt. I'm going to skewer it like that to hold it together. Roll it in the butter and then roll it in the breadcrumb. Skewer this one. Roll it in the butter, melted butter. You can use olive oil or any kind of cooking oil that you'd like to, but the butter is just so nice, and especially if you have it infused with garlic. It is wonderful. Then back into the pan with the butter. And then I'm going to bake this at 325 degrees until they're done. And you'll have some of the cheese ooze out, and I'm going to just plop some of this around the edges for a nice gravy. And so when it's done, you'll want to just take it up to 160 degrees for an internal temperature to make sure the chicken is done. Because as we all know, chicken can have bacteria that can make you sick. Anyway, so you need to have it well cooked, and this is going to go into the oven now. God, a sharp knife is just amazing.